Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well during this lockdown. As we have a lot of time to cook, I decided to share with you 3 of my favorite recipes. So we have a burger, a bagel and a pasta gratin? Ah! And a pasta gratin. I hope you're going to like all of these recipes. I do them a lot of time and I really enjoy cooking those recipes, especially because they are easy, they are fast, and most of all, they are vegetarian. So let's go! Let's start with my favorite of all time since I went to college, the bagel. To do it, you only need a cucumber, a carrot, cheese spread, parmesan, a tomato, peppers if you want to, salad, and obviously the bagel bread. Let's start by getting the bread in two and put it to the toaster so that it is crispy and warm. While it heats, we'll start with cutting the cucumber and the tomato in small dice. Once it is warm, we spread the cheese on it. There is no point in making a thin layer, but don't do it too big too or you'll be disgusted. We put some on both sides and then we add the cucumber dices on one side and the parmesan on the other side. Then we add some peeled carrots and do not forget about the tomato as I was doing it. This is the moment where you can add the pepper if you want some. Add the salad, close it, and it is already over for this recipe. Now let's focus on the pasta gratin. Yes, I still have some trouble saying it. There's nothing really complicated in cooking it too. You only need pastas, a plate that can go in the oven, some mushrooms, cream and some grated Gruyere if you want to. First, let's start by cutting our mushrooms and pre-cook the pastas. Make sure you take them off around 2 to 4 minutes before they are heated. Take the water off and put them into the plate. Add the cream, the mushroom, mix it all together. And then add the grated Gruyere on the top so you can have the gratin look. And finally, put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes, and voila! And then, the best burger alternative I've found until now. For the ingredients, you'll need burger bread, cheese slices, salad, tomatoes, and vegetable pancakes and roasty potato. As we did for the bagel, let's start by cutting the bread in two and heat it. This time, I put it into the oven so it will be easier for the next steps. While it is in the oven, cut the tomatoes and put your vegetable pancakes and roasty potato into a pan. A few minutes after putting the bread in the oven, add the cheese slices so that they'll melt. Let it in the oven at 120 degrees for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes are done, everything should be ready and you'll just have to put it all together. So I added some ketchup on one side. On the other side, I put the vegetable pancakes and roasty potato that I flattened a little, just so that it fits the side of the burger. Then add tomato slices, salad, and you can put the two parts together. Bon appétit! So I hope you liked the videos. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Tell me in the comment section below what was your favorite ones. If you do it at home, send me pictures of it. I'd like to see yours. And I see you in the next video. Bye!